Hi students, welcome to our zoology lab. As you all know that all organisms present in the earth comes under 5 kingdom classification. They are kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. Today we are discussing about kingdom Animalia. All animals comes under kingdom Animalia. All animals are broadly divided into two on the presence or absence of vertebral column. They are vertebrates and invertebrates. Animals with a backbone is called vertebrate. Animals without backbone is called invertebrate animals. Today we are going to discuss about some invertebrate and vertebrate animals, their identifying features, parasitic adaptations and their economic importance. Firstly, we are talking about invertebrate animals. Here you can see Hydra. It comes under phylum Coelenterata. They are multicellular animals and their body is radially symmetrical and cylindrical in shape. Anterior end produced into a conical hypostome bearing mouth and circle of hollow tentacles. Mouth leads into coelentron or gastrovascular cavity. The important features are body is cylindrical, it shows a radial symmetry, and their body cavity is coelentron or gastrovascular cavity, which help in digestion and circulation of food. They are diploblastic animals. Here you can see liver fluke, Phaseola hepatica. It comes under phylum Platyhelminthes. It is an endoparasite. Their body is flat, leaf-like, dorsoventrally flattened, and acoelomate, bilaterally symmetrical animals. A mouth is present at their anterior end. It is surrounded by an oral sucker. A little below the mouth, a posterior sucker or acetabulum is present. The posterior end of the body bears an excretory pore. The important characteristics are body is dorsoventrally flattened. It shows bilaterally symmetrical, acoelomate. There is no body cavity or coelom. It shows triploblastic condition. These are formed from 3 germinal layers, ectoderm, endoderm, and mesoderm. Parasitic adaptations are body is covered with thick and resistant cuticle. It shows anaerobic respiration. Digestive enzymes are absent. Suckers are present here to attach the host body, and also they are hermaphrodite. That means sexes are not separate. It damages the liver of host and causes liver rot diseases. This is a roundworm, Ascaris lumbricoides. It comes under phylum Aschelminthes. It is an intestinal parasite of man, particularly small children. The body is cylindrical and segmented with no lateral appendages. Pseudocoelomic cavity is present in them. A complete alimentary canal is present here. It shows sexual dimorphism. That is, both male and female have distinctive features. Parasitic adaptations are body is covered with a cuticle. Cuticle is resistant to the action of digestive enzymes. Circulatory, respiratory, and locomotory organs are absent. Digestive glands are absent. Muscular pharynx helps to suck digested food, and also it shows anaerobic respiration. It causes many secondary problems like pneumonia, appendix, hepatitis, etc. Here you can see leech, Hirudinaria granulosa. It comes under phylum Annelida. It is a freshwater annelid, ectoparasite, feeding and sucking the blood of cattle and other vertebrates. Body is elongated, dorsoventrally flattened, soft, metamerically segmented, and composed of 33 segments. A small anterior and a large posterior sucker is present here. Mouth is ventral and armed with 3 jaws. Anus is dorsal in position. Parasitic adaptations are presence of the suckers for attachment, locomotion, and feeding. So like the toothed jaws for making wound on the skin of the host. Saliva has an anticoagulant called hirudin, which prevents blood coagulation. Suctorial pharynx for sucking blood. Large crops with side pockets for storing blood. Economic importance are they trouble cattle and man by sucking blood. They are used as fish bait. They form food for some fish and birds. This is earthworm, Pheretima posthuma. It comes under phylum Annelida. These are terrestrial annelid living in burrows in moist soil. Body is cylindrical, metamerically segmented, and bilaterally symmetrical. There are about 100 to 125 segments. They are hermaphrodite. Sexes are not separate. Important characters are metameric segmentation, closed circulatory system is present, nephridia used for excretion and osmoregulation. Economic importance are it improves the soil and promote the plant growth by their burrows make the soil porous. This results in better aeration. They bring fresh subsoil to the surface. Their castings have more salt. They are used as bait for catching fish. They form food for frogs, birds, lizards, etc. This is prawn. It comes under phylum Arthropoda. It is an aquatic arthropod. Body is segmented, covered with chitinous cuticle. The body is divisible into cephalothorax and abdomen. A protective carapace is present on the dorsal side. They have jointed appendages. There are 6 abdominal segments. Eyes are stalked. There is a conical telson at the end of abdomen. The important characters are they have jointed appendages, chitinous exoskeleton is present, also it has compound eyes. Economic importance are edible, discarded part are used as manure. A chemical substance called chitosan obtained from the prawn shells is used as painkiller. Silkworm, Bombyx mori. It comes under phylum Arthropoda. Silkworm is the caterpillar of the silk moth. The life cycle of silk moth has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Caterpillar has creamy white body divisible into head, thorax, and abdomen. Head bears mouthparts, a pair of silk glands, and spinneret, which spins silk thread. Important characters are they have jointed appendages and also it has chitinous exoskeleton. Economic importance are they are reared to get silk. This practice is called sericulture. It provides employment opportunities. Silk is used in textile industry. Honeybee, Apis indica, it comes under phylum Arthropoda. They are bilaterally symmetrical animals. They have jointed appendages. Chitinous exoskeleton is present. Adaptations are mouthparts are adapted to collecting honey. They have wax glands. Hind limbs are modified to collect pollen grains for pollination. Economic importance are mainly they are used for getting honey and wax. It is used as food and medicine, and also these organisms are very useful in pollination. This is snail, Phyla globosa. It comes under phylum Mollusca. Calcareous exoskeleton is present in their body. Soft-bodied body is divided into head, visceral hum, and muscular foot. Mantle is present in their body. Adaptation. Ventral muscular foot is present. Economic importance are they are used as food or it is edible. Shell is used for making decorative articles. Starfish, it is Asterias species. It comes under phylum Echinodermata. They are radially symmetrical animals, spiny-bodied animals. Water vascular system is present in them. Tube feet is also present in their body. Adaptations. They have tube feet for locomotion and capturing the prey. Economic importance are they are used as food and also it is used as fertilizer and also it is scavenger at sea floor. Now we are discussing about vertebrate animals. Here you can see rohu, Labio rohida. It is a kind of bony fish. It comes under phylum Chordata. Superclass Pisces, class Osteichthyes. Identifying features, they have cycloid scales, triploblastic condition, coelomate animals, and bilaterally symmetrical. They have a post-anal tail. Terminal mouth is present in their body. They have a dorsal nerve cord. Economic importance, it is edible. Adaptations, they have fins for locomotion. They have lateral line sense organs, and also it has operculum. This is frog, Rana hexadactyla. It comes under phylum Chordata, class Amphibia. They are triploblastic coelomate animals, bilateral symmetrical body. Body is divided into head and trunk. Closed blood vascular system is present in their body. They have dorsal nerve cord. It is edible and also used to control insect population. Adaptations, estivation at dry season, hibernation at winter season. Garden lizard, it comes under phylum Chordata, class Reptilia. Body is covered by scales. They have clawed pentadactyl limbs. Triploblastic and coelomate animals, and also it shows bilateral symmetry. They have a dorsal nerve cord. Adaptation, it has an ability to change color suitable to their surroundings. It also helps to destroy insects. This is pigeon, Columba livia. It comes under phylum Chordata, class Aves. They are triploblastic coelomate animals. It shows bilateral symmetrical body. They have dorsal nerve cord, streamlined body with feathers. They have 4 limbs. It is modified into wings. Streamlined body with feathers, 4 limbs modified into wings. Adaptations are streamlined body, beak, presence of feathers, 4 limbs are modified into wings, presence of pneumatic bones. Its feces used as goat manure. This is the economic importance of these birds. This is rabbit. It comes under phylum Chordata, class Mammalia. Their body is covered by white soft hairs. Upper lip is cleft in the middle and have sensitive hairs. Triploblastic, coelomate, bilaterally symmetrical animals. They have a dorsal nerve cord. Adaptations are the presence of sensitive hairs, color of its fur helps to blend in with its surroundings, presence of long and strong hind limbs for hop very quickly and very far. Economic importance, it gives flesh and fur.